this is the palette that I am going to use. I did buy it for $5 and it's at Five Below. This come with a mirror, and then these are the colors. Okay, so I am just going to be using this palette to do my whole makeup, just so you can see how it looks, and if it's a good buy or if it's not. So let's get into, let me get my brush first, sorry. Okay. Anyway, so I'm just gonna start off with this light color right here, this one. This is gonna be my transition as well as my base. I'm just using a regular eyeshadow brush, and of course you can't see it just because it's basically like my color on the lids. Okay. And then I'm gonna start going into this one. I'm just doing it at the, like, above my crease. And I am doing a half cut crease with this look. And then I'm going in with this darker color. So I did this one, and I'm going with this one. In this palette, sorry I didn't mention it, it's called Rosy Nudes. Okay, it just says Rosy Nudes Eyeshadow Palette. It's not, doesn't have like a brand, I guess. I don't know. But we'll see how this comes out. And y'all can be my judge if this palette is worth it or not. So yeah, this is the only palette I am going to be using for this look. So I can't use another color or anything, so yes. Then, so I used these three right here. Then I'm gonna go in with this darker one, and every time I try to go lower than from where I put the other colors. So this one's a little bit lower, and at the top I'm just blending. It's pretty good for like pigmentation wise, or I don't know, but like for pigments, you can, you can see the brown. So from right now, I think it's pretty good. Okay, so right now I'm gonna go in with this darkest color right here, and that one's just gonna go on the outer corner. For my cut crease, I'm just gonna get some concealer. It's in the lightest color, so this one's called Light Ivory. I always use this color for my crease, for my cut creases, just because it's like very light, like the lightest color. Sorry guys. Okay, so I used like this flat brush. It's kind of like hard for the concealer, and then this one, the flat brush, to put the eyeshadow. So I'm gonna start off with this lightest pink right here, this light pink. It starts to show like once you pat like a lot of it in there. Okay, then I'm gonna go with the one next to it right here. Okay, so now I am going in with this one. Yeah, this one. This one's lighter than this one, so I'm going with this one first. And just drag it so you can blend. And then for my last color, well, not my last color, but for the cut crease, I'm gonna go in with this one. I'm gonna grab my fluffy brush and I'm gonna go in with this darker color right there. Okay, so you see that little transition from light to dark. Okay, with this, just clean up your edges. Okay, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do this one. Gonna grab a highlighter brush, or the one that I use for highlighting, and I'm just gonna grab this one right here. This one's a shimmery one, so I guess I'll use this. and just highlight my eye. Ooh. Okay. So yeah, just highlight my corner of the eyes right there. And then I'm just gonna go ahead, since I like that, I'm gonna do my eyebrow. The corner, the bottom part of my eyebrow. Okay, and I will finish. Okay, so I forgot to wipe this part. It's cute. Okay. So this is how this palette, see, for my eyes. It's pretty cute, and I will finish my face so you can see how like see, I'm not lying, it was $5. Anyway, so yeah, I'm just gonna go finish my face and everything, put my lashes, my eyeliner and everything on. I am going to use this white eyeshadow for highlight. Okay, so because I liked it. So anyway, so yeah, I'm just gonna finish this off with this and finish my face, and I will be right back. Okay, so this is how the final result of the $5 Rosy Nude palettes. This one right here. Once again, I will show you. It looks like this on the inside, and it's pretty good. It looks. I really like this look, and I did use the highlighter. The eyeshadow for highlights, and it worked. So yes, I'm pretty happy with this $5 eyeshadow palette. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay, thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you.